Deep fry seasoned floured fish fillet on medium heat in cooking oil 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, totaling 6 to 8 minutes. If need to, fry it for 12 minutes. Do this in a frying pan / skillet. Instead, fry the fish in enough cooking oil. After you see it smoking, make sure you fried the fish golden like this. This is deep fried fish fillet. Eat deep fried fish fillet for dinner with rice, pasta, salad, etc. Or make a fish sandwich for lunch or supper. Until next time, Megan, get the cookbook, Jamaican Food Recipes. It's a big 8x10 book with 511 pages that you can lay out on a table for easy reading.